Tell us the difference between you had your right total knee done in
2014,
2014
6 years ago.
compared to having it done this time. What was the recovery time frame? Like, was it faster, same?
The recovery time frame was much shorter. Here we already.
You were, well, no, you were, so what you were telling,
I had in-house therapy this time, and the recovery, I went to outpatient for the other knee, and it was much longer
Yes.
than this.
so you were walking pain-free quicker.
Oh, very much quicker.
Much quicker
Yes.
off a
Up
cane?
and down steps. I was only on a cane maybe a week, 2 weeks at the most.
And on the right
On
side,
the right side, I was carrying a cane to therapy and back.
yeah, for several months,
Just several weeks.
maybe six weeks or so, would you say?
Maybe 6 weeks, yeah.
Okay. And then, what about doing stairs? Were you doing stairs quicker
I was
this
doing
way?
stairs quicker this time than I was the last time.
What about your motion? Do you feel like you got your motion back
I
quicker?
got my motion back much quicker,
Okay.
because they were, yeah.